Hey guys, welcome to what I eat in a day. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat today on this specific day. Obviously, this won't be what I eat every single day of the week. This is just what I'm gonna be eating today, December 2nd. It's early morning. I'm not an early bird, so I don't wake up that early, but it is 10:56. So I am about to make breakfast. Don't know what yet. We'll figure it out based on what I have in the fridge. Let's get started. So based on what I have, I'm gonna be making some pancakes. The instructions say to make 45 pancakes, I need 1 cup of the mix. Measure that. Then it asks for half a cup of water, but I'm gonna use milk instead. Oh God, she's kind of frozen. I don't know why, but my fridge always freezes things over. It's so annoying. Like no matter what temperature I put it on. Okay, half a cup. Then some cinnamon, because why not? Fold it into each other. Oh, and before I forget, I'm gonna preheat the oven, not the oven, the stove, to medium heat so it could be ready by the time I'm done with this. And I'm gonna use butter to make the pancakes. You see that? The cinnamon just adds so much flavor, and I'll be melting some butter on the stove for that. I'm also gonna be using some hot dog uncured turkey franks because I don't have any more turkey bacon. And I'm also gonna make a fruit cup thing with some strawberries and blueberries for a fruit serving on the side. Trying to be healthy this morning, you know? All right, my fruits are all washed, so I'm gonna cut my strawberries into these. Sounds like my stove is getting hot. It's getting hot in here. Just add some blueberries on top. A little bit of honey. I have my fruit cups. Pan is hot. I'm gonna add in my butter. Don't recommend high temperature for this part. I think this can make me about 4 pancakes. We'll see. Once the butter is fully melted, I'm gonna add in my pancakes. Ooh. I'm gonna top them with blueberries. Add in my blueberries, not too much. 3, 4, 5, 6. I think these are ready to flip. I keep getting distracted, unfortunately, but I hope they don't get burned. Nope, perfect. Smells really good too. One thing I love about pancakes though is that you can dress them however you want, which is so amazing because I added the fruits in there and now I have blueberry pancakes. But I'm about to make some apple juice to go with that because a good, refreshing cup of apple juice in the morning is amazing. All you need are apples. All I'm doing is rinsing them off, cutting them, and then putting them in the juicer. All I'm gonna do now is add these apple slices into my juicer and turn it on. Fresh apple juice. Looks like this batch is finished, so I'm taking them out. This is all from the blueberries. I'm just gonna scrape it off and rinse the spatula off. Adding in my butter and my batter. My butter and my batter. Last one. Blueberries. 3, 4, 5, 7. All right, pancakes are all done. So next thing is frying these hot dogs. I'm gonna do something I've seen on the internet. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Need some ice for the apple juice. You can remove the foam at the top if you want. You don't have to. Fresh apple juice. You see how thick that is compared to the apple juice you buy at the store? It's like major difference. This is real apple juice. All right, hot dog is all done. What I was trying to do with this one kind of worked. Got my pancakes, my fruit, maple syrup onto the pancake, my leftover blueberries. There we go. This is today's breakfast. I am about to eat and get my day started, and I'll be seeing you guys for lunch. All right, guys, I'm back home now after my workout, and when I tell you I cannot stand stepping out in the cold after working out and being drenched in sweat and these layers, like, But I am about to make a smoothie for recovery. I am not stepping outside for the rest of the day. I was gonna make a smoothie, but my man is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. So I'm just gonna take a shower, trying to be considerate. See you guys soon. So it doesn't seem like this man is gonna wake up anytime soon, and I'm starving after that workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick snack to hold me up until I make dinner. Just gonna make a yogurt bowl and maybe some avocado toast. Quick and easy, nothing major. All right, I got my fruits right here, my seeds, honey, and yogurt in my bowl for me to make my yogurt bowl. I only have one slice of bread left. Alright y'all, this is my yogurt bowl. It has strawberries, blueberries, pear, some seeds for me to digest my food, yogurt for protein, and then I have my avocado toast right here. Little healthy fats on the side here. Now I'm about to eat, watch some TV, maybe a podcast or something, and then edit before making dinner. It's dinner time, you guys. When I tell you, I really don't like this time that we have. It is draining me. By 5:30, I'm ready to walk out for the day, go to sleep for the rest of the evening. That's not okay. We need to stop. We need to stop changing the time. Like, we need to come to a consensus or something that this is not happening anymore. Seriously. Anyways, let's make some dinner. I got some things that I put in the fridge earlier, based on what I think I'm gonna make. We're gonna see. We're just gonna whip something together. I'm gonna try to use the oven because I'm tired and I'm not trying to stand for too long. I'm gonna make rice and peas with baked tilapia and asparagus. Cut off the stems. Oh my gosh. Do you guys know about asparagus pea? I learned about this from one of my friends who told me about it. It's like after you eat asparagus, for some reason your pea just smells bad. Like, it just smells bad. If you guys don't believe me, eat asparagus and then like over a couple of days after, pay attention to what your urine smells like. You'll see what I mean. It's a thing. Because of that, I try to stay away from eating it, but I like asparagus stuff. And I usually make them on the stove, but today I'm gonna do something different and make them in the oven. In the oven this goes. Last thing. Sounds like the rice is almost finished. Okay, moisturize. It's not finished yet, but look at that. So my fish is ready to be baked. And this is what the asparagus is looking like right now. You're gonna sprinkle a little bit more cheese onto the top. All right, now that everything is pretty much getting ready, I'm gonna clean up and see when everything's ready. All right, guys, that is it. My fish is ready, and this is my dinner for tonight. And dinner is served. I'm gonna serve myself some grape juice with this. Call it a night. Now I'm gonna sit here, eat this food, and watch a podcast. I don't think I'll be eating anything else after this, but if I do, I will definitely add it. If I don't, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.